How to add dual clock widget to the home screen on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to add dual clock widget, just click and hold on screen and click on widget. After click on widget, scroll down and click on clock. After select clock, scroll down and you will see dual clock is here. Select dual clock and click on add and just click and hold on widget and click on settings. If you want to change city, so change city from here. You will see city is changed. After change first city and second city, and you will see select mode dark light. After select mode and click on save, you will see. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.